Have you ever wondered exactly how many centimeters are in an inch? This question comes up a lot, whether you're measuring furniture, reading a size chart, or converting units for a project. The exact conversion is simple. 1 inch is equal to exactly 2.54 centimeters. Let's visualize it. If you place a 1-inch line next to a 2.54 centimeter line, they match perfectly in length. Knowing this is especially useful when working with different measurement systems, like when traveling, shopping online, or studying science and math. To convert inches to centimeters, just multiply the number of inches by 2.54. To convert centimeters to inches, divide by 2.54. For example, 10 centimeters divided by 2.54 equals about 3.94 inches. Here's a quick reference. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, 5 inches equals 12.7 centimeters, 10 inches equals 25.4 centimeters. So remember, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. It's a simple, reliable conversion that helps across many areas of life.